Okay, I want to show you how to install and use Microsoft Office Suite. So at UAA, you have access to all of Office. You've already paid for it. Might as well use it. So you come here to Quick Links and you go over here. You want MS Office 365. Now, once you get here, I'm actually already logged in, but it's going to ask you to log in. It's the same login as your Blackboard, the same login as your email. Log in. Then you're going to have, so if you come here, apps, I can use any of the apps right here in thing. I don't have to download it. So for instance, if you're not on a personal computer, you have access to all your files. And you can see here that any file that you saved in here in the drive will be available so that you can look through and you can do this. So for instance, if I had something, I can come back to it and I can use it later. Now, here's the thing though, you're going to actually want to install it on your personal computer so that you can use the full functionality of Excel, because if you just use it online like I'm using it right now, you're not going to have, if you come over here, you're going to have some of the actions I do, but you're not going to have all of them. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go here to apps. Let's see here. No, let's go to home. Okay, so I'm at home. This is the first, and I want to install and more. So I'm going to install. And I actually just got a new laptop, so I decided it's perfect time to show you how to do this. So I have nothing on my computer at this point. And so I'm going to download. So I want to install Office. I don't want a subscription. I don't want any of this stuff. I just want to install Office. And again, you've already paid for this. It's part of your tech fee or whatever they're calling it. So let's see. I want to see where it went. There. Okay, so then we're going to come here to Office Setup. So now we're done. And yes. See where it went. It's still thinking about it. Okay, let's see here. We'll be done in just a moment. We'll see how much their moment is. Obviously, you can fast forward through me doing this. I might actually pause it real quick and I'll be back when this is done. Okay, that took longer than I thought it would be, but that's okay. Okay, it says now we're all set. So all you missed was staring at the little bar slowly creeping across my screen. Now that it's installed, let's go look at my computer. And oh, I don't want that. I told you, brand new computer. I don't know where anything is. I want more. So where's, oh, there, Excel. Okay, so. Okay, so now we are the downloaded Excel. So I'm not, yep. No, I just installed Excel. No, I don't want any of this. Hold on a second. Okay, we just installed it, so let's go back. We just installed it, so where is it? Because it said we were all set. We saw that in my account. Here's this, but I want to use it. I want to use it on the desktop, and I'm going to show you why once I get it open. I know. Let's look here. Okay, we just went. Went to Office Setup, which I thought we just did, but let's look at it. Let's see if it. This should have already done it. So let's see here what's going on here. Okay, I think I figured out, oh, installation thing. So it's completely, so hold on a second. Let's click on this, but I also think I figured out my problem. So it just needed longer to do it. So yes, I know. It's completely installed. Thank you. I'm glad you told me that. So I'm going to go to Excel. Now, this is telling me I'm not, but it's, if you look down here, it's the wrong email. This needs to be yours. So I'm going to log in. There's too many email accounts. And then I'm going to figure out where I stuck my phone because it's going to tell me, make sure I'm really, and then telling it that it is. And that's your doing, obviously. Yep. Okay. So once you install it, then you have to make sure that you are logged in again with your UAA account. Done. It's going to think some more. Okay. You're going to accept all the licenses. Okay. Now, what you're going to see now here is you're going to see all the different stuff that I see when you do it. Now, you do need to add one thing. When you look at this, there is no data analysis on here. You want that to go to File. We're going to go down here to, let's see here, Get Add-ins maybe. Nope, don't want that one. I think it's down here. It's Options. There we go. Options, and then I'm going to go here, and let's see here, Add-ins. And this one, I need to manage tool add-ins, okay? And I want to, I'm going to put all these in there just because I like having them all, but you probably only need the top one, okay? Now you have the data analysis. So when you watch my videos, you will see I always have data analysis. That's how I got it, okay? So you can use this online, but I am recommending that you install it. Once you're installed, then you can, and you install it completely on your computer. You now have complete access. As I said, you've already paid for it. There's no reason for you not to install it. And then you will need to turn on data analysis. It will not automatically turn on, and you will need it. So hopefully this helps you. You got to see me go through the process and, lose stuff on my new computer. So it'll probably be the same process for you, but hopefully this will help you get it set up and that you can be using all the Microsoft ones, so you don't have to worry about purchasing any because obviously you've already paid for them as part of your tuition.